Here at Cloudflare, our mission is to help build a better internet. And really that starts with the human connection. And we're better than the ITWeb Security Summit to make those connections. But also we get to meet new contacts, we get to meet new faces. So we're very proud to have the opportunity to sponsor this year's event. Well, cyber resiliency is a mindset as much as an application of technology or adherence to a particular regulatory mandate. But key to all of this is around simplifying the operating model that we use today. And in line with what we hear from some of the leading analyst firms, we believe that adopting a minimum effective toolset is the right way to do that. And at Cloudflare, we're happy to support organizations in leveraging expertise that we can bring to complement their core competencies within their organization. We, as cybersecurity practitioners and leaders, can be an ally to other cross-functional areas to support an innovation agenda within their organization. In the cybersecurity world, we know to expect the unexpected. And at the ITWeb Security Summit, the same is also true. It's always that case that maybe you go to a presentation or talk and you come away with a new idea that maybe you hadn't thought about before to solve a particular problem that your organization might face. Or it might be as simple as a coffee chat or a water cooler chat where you get to meet somebody new that can inspire you to think about a different direction or a different opportunity that might be for you or for your organization. Having been to the ITWeb Security Summit before, I love experiencing the energy and the optimism. We can not only solve some of the hard problems in our industry today, but we can look to help support the innovation that will help make a better internet for both South Africa and the internet at large. So we look forward to welcoming you at the ITWeb Security Summit at the Sandton Convention Centre in Johannesburg from the 3rd to the 5th of June.